Hello students, in this class we'll see triangles lesson based assessment MCQ questions. MCQ questions 2025-26 class 10 will start. In the following, the shapes which are always similar. Similar shapes means which will have same shape. Okay, it not necessary same means angles should be corresponding angle should be equal and corresponding ratio side should be in ratio means they should have same shape. Okay, not necessarily same size. So always two equilateral triangles will be similar always, because angles will be equal and the ratios of sides will be similar. So which of the following pairs of triangles are always similar? Same question, but there in the first question four side figures are also included, but here only triangles are given. Here also the option is two equilateral triangles are always similar. Third one, in the figure ABC DE parallel to ABC, if CD, you have to draw the figure. Unless you draw figure, you cannot understand the question. So draw the figure. CD is 3. Okay. DE parallel to AB, they said, right? So I drawn wrongly. CD parallel to AB means you have to make base as AB and DE in the parallel side, and C will be here. Okay. CD is 3, EC is 4 centimeter, BE is 6 centimeter. What is DA? Direct BPT theorem it is actually. So what you can say is CD by AD equal to CE by BE. CD is what? 3 and AD they want, we'll write AD, and CE is 4, BE is 6, 2 2 is 2 3 is AD is what it comes. Check out CD by AB. CD by AD. CD is 3 by AD is equal to, okay, AD is down, right? So AD is equal to 9. AD is 2 into AD is 9 by 2, that is 4.5 centimeter. We'll see the fourth one. In the figure, it's ABC, D is parallel, similar kind of thing it is. So what you have to do, what is given, just write a figure. So I'll write in the way I want. ABC, it is DE parallel. What is given? AD is 2, BD is 3, BC is 7.5. Remember, DE and BC comes in the corollary, okay? Corollary of BPT. So what is the length of DE they want? So by corollary, right? By BPT corollary, what we get is AD by AB equal to DE by BC. AD is 2, AB is 2 plus 3, 5. DE they want DE, BC they have given this one. So 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 15 5 ja 75. So DE is equal to 2 into 1.5 is 3 centimeter. Remember, the length of the big triangle comes only in the corollary. Okay. BPT talks about the ratio of the sides of the triangles. We'll move to the next question. Fifth one. In triangle ABC, this is very important question. They have given AB by DE equal to BC by FD. Okay, remember which among the given options is correct they want. So if you observe this, basically we should get A and D are corresponding, but if you see in the right hand side, C and D are corresponding. So it's confusing. BE and BF, we cannot have for one letter in one triangle, two letters in another triangle as a corresponding angles. So clue here is whichever repeating in the top, that is B, whichever repeating in the bottom, that is D. This is the correct triangle. What about others remaining? A, E and C, F. This is the correct relation. Which among them is coming? You just pick it. B equal to D is the correct one. This is very important concept. We'll see the sixth one. Direct question it is. X they want. So here again you have to apply the corollary. Okay. That is PA by PQ equal to AB by QR. Remember when you are applying the parallel side ratio, that means it's a BPT corollary. Okay. You can say by BPT corollary. Okay. What is PA? 2.4. What is PQ? Sum of 2.4 and 3.6 becomes 6. What is AB? 2 and QR is X. So if you check out 2 1 ja 2 1.2 ja 6 1 ja 6.2 ja. So it becomes 0.2 is equal to X. That is 0.2 means 1 by 5, right? 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by X. Therefore X equal to 5. Very important question. This is seventh one. In the figure ABC DE is parallel to, so draw the figure first please. ABC DE it is, AD is X, BD is X minus 2, AE is X plus 2, EC is X minus 1. So value of X, it's a straight BPT question. So you can say X minus X by 2 equal to X plus 1 by X minus 1 by BPT. You solve it yourself. Okay. Let's see the eighth one. ABC is similar to DEF. Observe. ABC is similar to DEF. So what is given? Check out. 2AB is DE means 2AB is DE means AB by DE equal to 1 by 2, because DE into 1 you transpose 2 to the right side, it will become 1 by 2. And BC is 8. When you say BC, it is EF. EF is asked. So we know AB by DE equal to BC by EF. How did you get the second ratio? Means by similarity corresponding sides you can get it. So AB by DE is 1 by 2, it is proved above. BC they are given 8 and EF is asked. So 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, cross multiply, you get EF is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. It is cleared. This is the ninth one. In triangle ABC, see ABC, some ratio is given. We'll just draw that ABC and D is parallel to BC. E parallel to BC. What is given? Just check. AE by AE equal to 1 by 4 AC they are given. So we'll take AE by AC equal to 1 by 4, right? Then they are given AB 6. AB is 6 means full length is given 6. AD they asked. So by BPT corollary, what we get is AE by AC is equal to AD by AB. Remember, BPT corollary is very important. If you don't have that knowledge, please go and watch triangles chapter in my page YouTube. I solved all the problems of the exercise and I've given the concepts also. AE is what? AE by AC is 1 by 4. AD we want that AB is given as 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Therefore AD is equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5 centimeter. All questions are similar, only you have to think and apply the BPT or corollary BPT. That's it. Let's see the 10th one. In the figure, it looks tough, but you can just observe it. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is C, and ED. A is given, X is given, B is given, Y is given. So if you observe the relations here, X equal to A plus B by AY. How did you get X equal to A plus B by AY? Actually, what you have to apply here, either you apply BPT, or because X and Y are included means you have to apply the corollary only, right? So by corollary, what we get? By BPT corollary, don't check the MCQ options. First you apply by corollary rule, then you match your answer to the MCQ answer. So I'll say X by Y equal to A by A plus B, right? So just arrange it as per the MCQ options. One is Y is equal to is there. So if Y is equal to means X, X of A plus B by A will come. That is not a proper answer. X by Y is A by B. D is not correct answer. Solve for X. Either to check for A or C option. Sorry, solve for X. When you solve for X, A into Y by A plus B will come. You match your MCQ here, which is C option. Don't try to get MCQ into your answer. First you write the answer part, then you match with the required MCQ in such questions. This is kind of important question, 10th one. It needs your knowledge. Okay, let's see the 11th one. There are around 20, how many questions are there? Let's see. 28 questions. So we are now solving 11th question. In triangle ABC, see ABC similar to DEF. AB by BC means check out AB by, okay, AB by C, AB, BC, CA is given. Okay. So all three sides of the triangle ABC given and DF only given in the second side. They asked the perimeter of DF. It's very important. So don't just add the angles of ABC. So sorry, sides of ABC and say perimeter of ABC, DF is same as perimeter. No, the sides are in the ratio, right? So what we can say is first write the ratio of both the triangles by BPT. Similar triangles, SSS theorem you write, that is AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF, right? Since AB is given, just substitute the values. AB by DE equal to BC is 3.5 by EF, AC is 2.5 by DF is given 7.5. Now you equate two ratios where one is unknown and other ratio has both the values. So equating these two, I get 4 by DE equal to 2.5 by 7.5, dot cancels, 25 1 25 3 is a cross multiply, you get DE is equal to 12 centimeter. Similarly, you solve these two, you get 3.5 by EF. This is again 2.5 by 7.5, that is 1 by 3. We just saw here. Then what is EF is 3.5 into 3, that is 3 5 is 15, 10.5 will come. Okay, 10.5 will come. EF. The other side is given DF. It is not 1 mark question, it is actually 2 marks or 3 marks question. Therefore, perimeter of triangle DEF is sum of sides, right? DE plus EF plus DF. DE is what? 12 we got, EF 10.5 we got, DF is 7.5. When you add them, 12 plus 10, 22, half, this is 1, 23 plus 7, 30 centimeter. This is 3 mark question, they have asked for 1 marks. Okay. Don't, here clue is, usually students will make perimeter of ABC is same as perimeter of DEF they think, but it is wrong. 12th one, in this figure, ACB triangle similar to triangle APQ, they are given, right? So just check three sides. So AB by what? AB by AQ, right? How do you get AQ? See, here AB is there. The respective vertices you pick in the other side. This is AQ. Okay. Then BC is given. We take BC by QP or PQ, whatever it is, both same. But value is given as PQ. So AB is what? 6 by AQ. We want that AQ. BC is given. PQ is given 4. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. When you cross multiply, AQ becomes 3 centimeters. Okay. All these are very knowledgeful questions. 13th we'll see. This is very important question. Please make a note of it. What they want is X. They want. I'll give a brief about this. When it is a right angle triangle, all three ratios I'll give, which are not relevant to this particular one, but another two ratios you need to know that. So we know we have to understand BC square is CD and AC. These are actually to be proved for 4 marks questions, but you can take it as a rule. Please make a note in your notebook. BC square means one of the leg square is starting from that letter CD and CA. That's one rule. Another leg square, you say AB square, is similarly AC into AD you have to think. Okay, these two are very important. These BC and AB are the legs, means other sides, base and altitude of the right angle triangle, not the hypotenuse. So using this we are solving here. Check out AC. X is AC square, right? So AC square is CD into CB comes. AC means X. X square is CD is 4. CB is 16. Therefore, X equal to square root of 4 and 16. Since both are perfect squares, X equal to 16. 2 4 ja. 2 4 ja 8 centimeter. Very important question this is. These two rules are very much important. Please make a note. There is one more rule. Height, altitude, BD square is equal to AD into DC. These can be asked in 1 marks question. No need to prove them. You have to take them as a theorems. We'll see the 14th one. Simple only it is. In the triangle, see triangle LMN congruent to triangle PQR. L is given, N is given. They asked Q. So M we don't have the value. So first if we find M, Q will be the respective corresponding angle. So using angle sum property, you find M. M is equal to 180 minus 110. So M is equal to 70 degree. Okay. So you properly write the reason and all. I did not write here. So therefore Q is equal to M is equal to 70 because they are corresponding angles. Therefore Q is equal to 70. Okay. We'll see the 15th one. This is important question. 15th one is important. Mark it as important. See, ABC is a right angle, is a triangle where DE parallel to BC they have given. BC is 6 centimeter. Length of DE they asked and they said these are the midpoints. Means I'll assume these are equal. So by BPT corollary, AD by AB equal to DE by BC. Why should I take corollary? Means whenever the parallel sides are included in the ratio or is asked to find, you have to use corollary only because that is the theorem that gives you the full triangle side ABAC. AD is what? 1, AB is 2 because they said D is the midpoint of AB. Similarly, E is midpoint of AC. What is DE? They want DE. What is BC? 6. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. Cross multiply, you get 3 centimeter. This is important. We'll see this next question, 16th one. Length of AD they want. AD means big side, right? So again it's a corollary. So I'll draw the figure. You can that's okay. Here very important thing is two sets will come. One set will go as null common set. Let's see. I'll redraw the figure. This is parallel, this is parallel, this is parallel. These are all 1 marks question, means very funny actually. Okay, let's see. PD is how much? 18 centimeter. BQ is 35 centimeter. Please do write that 35. QC is 15 centimeter. AD they want. Okay. So in the first set, I'll take intersecting point of BD and PQ as M. I'll write, see, four sets you have to write. First ADB triangle, you write one set of parallel side corresponding sides, and BDC one set where BD comes common. Let's check out. AP by AD equal to AP by AD, or I'll say you can write that. So I'll say DP by DA equal to DM by DB. This is one. Similarly, DM by DB equal to QC by BQ. This is 2. From because corresponding sides you have to write. They're similar because PQ, AB, DC are all parallel. So by 1 and 2 what we get is, from 1 and 2 we get dp by dA equal to dm by dm by db common. So we take the right hand side of the second one, that is qc by bq. Substitute the values. What is dp? 18. Why should not I take ap? Means the value is not there. dp is 18 by dA. We want that. qc is 15 by 35. So 5 3 ja, 5 7 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja. Okay. 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja, 5 3 ja, 5 7 ja. So reciprocal means cross multiply, what you get? Okay. Okay. dm by db is qc by not bq. My mistake it is. I did not take the full word here. Just check out here. See, I took dm by db. Then qc by bc should come, right? BC should come. BC. That's the reason I did not get the value matching the MCQ. Let's check out. QC by BC. Now substitute the values. Okay. DP is how much? 18 by AD. QC is 15. BC is adding 15 plus 35, it will come 50. Okay. Then 5 3 ja, 5 10 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja. So cross multiplication gives 60 centimeter, which is this one. Very important one it is. It's actually supposed to be asked in 3 marks question. We'll see the next set. There are so many questions. We'll have the remaining from 17th in the next video. Thank you.